Alright, folks, what's good? I'm out here at BB's in Jacksonville. We're gonna see what this fish and grits tastes like. It's a picture and a link in the bio. This shit look good though. That smells good. I'm nervous. Nervous. Okay. Okay. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. I don't know what this is, but let's see what the hell this is. This is a tomato. Let's see what this tomato tastes like in this. Oh shit. It's a roasted tomato. Add a nice sweetness to it. Okay. Let's try this bacon stuff real quick. Smell like bacon. Smell like sweet bacon. No words. No words. We won't do that. Add that bacon on there. Let's try that all together. Let's add tomato in. My mama love this right here. Fried green tomato. Oh my. That is good. That is good, folks. Alright, well, I'm gonna mess this up. Just in case you didn't notice, I had this backup food right here. Just in case. Yeah, them bacon and eggs just on the side, just in case. But get what? That shit right there smashing. We don't even need no just in case. I'ma holler at y'all.